Hey guys, Meta Mobile Gaming. As always, comment, like, subscribe. And today we are going to be doing a 200k Pro Pack opening. Oops, didn't mean to go there, guys. Sorry about that. Didn't really get anything there. Oops. Let's go see what we got really quick. I think I saw red in there, not sure though. Nope. I have a lot of silver trophies actually. Tamawiki. Don't really know how to pronounce that, so sorry. Matthew Stafford, Team of the Week, 86 overall. He's alright. He's not bad, but he's not amazing. Khalil Barnes. Brandon Albert. King Dunlap. Leron McLean. Bernard Pierce is the backup for Ray Rice. Ruben Randall. Not bad, but not amazing. You guys probably think it's kind of bad I have an update team, but I sold my whole team a while back. Actually, a few vids back. And I've been pretty much just working on SIGs, and then I sold them. And just got a ton of money and just did legend packs, not Easter bundle, but Easter packs. And just did pack openings. Lex Hilliard. Jamarcus Webb. Eli Manning. Sorry about that pause, guys. Had to plug my thing in. My mom was calling me. Arthur Moats. Derek Marks. Ruben Randall. I got another one. That's pretty sweet. It's probably one of the new popular final editions because they just came out today. Desmond Bishop. Stevie Brown. Broderick Bunkley. Pat Anger. Charles Godfrey. Oh, and I got a Pat McAfee. or McAfee, or Fia, I don't even know how to pronounce it. That's a breast cancer one too. It's pretty neat. Stephen Paella and a silver trophy. And we get a Danny Amendola. Alright, well guys, that's it for the video today. And as always, see you later guys. And comment, like, subscribe. See ya.